A lot of naysayers, I will not use the word naysayers, but this now seems to be the consensus view that there is a bubble and there is a lot of trouble in small and mid-cap stocks. What are your views for that?
I agree. There is a bubble. It's not a bubble, but yes, there are certain things like old names which I have never heard, which I used to hear maybe in 2002-3. Suddenly, people calling and saying, "Why? What do you think about these companies?" That's what worries me. Sometimes there is a word chip in a company, and then they say, "Is it? I mean, this company will do very well because it's planning to, get into chip manufacturing." It's not so easy. So, I think there are excesses in mid and small caps.
And I remember in 2000, real estate companies had become IT companies.
Yeah.
In 2008, those IT companies had become real estate companies again. And those IT companies are becoming chip companies. Yes, when there was both. And now they're becoming chip companies now.
Yeah.
So manufacturing is the space where everybody is excited, but the reality would be very different.
Absolutely.
I'd like to draw your attention to something which you've always endorsed, which is think long term.
Sorry?
Think long term.
Yeah.
In the near term, markets will always swing because of sentiment.
Yeah.
So if one has to look at the pendulum of the market, where do you think there are excesses in the market, and where do you think there are still opportunity in this market?
I think mid and especially small caps, there are excesses. I won't say they are across. So it may continue for a long time, because I've learned that during the software boom, that when you think there are excesses, the prices can grow 4 times from there. So I'm not a person who can say that, okay, don't go there. It's individual choice. But as a fund manager, or as a person who is managing money in trust, I would not get into that at all.